Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking Bitcoin because Bitcoin is breaking down right now. We're below the EMA ribbons, and we're looking to retest to a particular resistance right now. We're also going to be talking about Twitter Coin. Now, Twitter Coin was leaked by someone that's account has now been deleted. The person was verified, and she shared a bunch of leaks regarding Twitter Coin, and suspiciously out of nowhere the account gets deleted. So we're going to look at a bunch of stuff today, so make sure to continue watching and like if you like the video and subscribe. So yeah, without further ado, I'm Crypto Kid, and let's just jump into the crypto charts right now. So let's look at Bitcoin TA first of all. This is the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, and as you can see, we have broken down. However, on the 4-hourly chart, this candle formation here is actually a pretty bullish reversal formation. So I'm assuming, right, nothing in this video is financial advice, only my opinion, only in just for entertainment purposes. However, this candle formation could take us back up to $16,900, which on the daily chart is our bull flag, and then we could bounce down to the $16,600 resistance, which we have also in the daily chart, and then our ultimate final resistance would be $16,000 to $15,600, but you know, this is, I think, still a long shot away. Now, if we go back to the 4-hourly chart, right, this was an amazing bull flag, which we unfortunately broke to the downside. We did open a trade once it broke out, and we took profits if you check the last video when this shooting star formed. Now, this would have been an awesome opportunity to short because this is literally a perfect reversal candle, a perfect shorting candle. However, we unfortunately missed it, but it's okay. And then we came back down to the resistance, the support of the bull flag, and we bounced down. And over here, this was the bearishness, and then we broke to the downside. And now we're above the EMA ribbons, right? And if we retest back to the $16,900 spot, it would be perfectly retesting back to this EMA ribbons as well. And upon which we'd have to look at volume. Today, volume is pretty bullish on the 4-hourly, so it could take us to $16,900. Also, if we look at our oscillators, the stochastic is falling, RSI is bouncing up, the squeeze mob is also bearish as well. However, looking at the stochastic, we could potentially see a reversal pretty soon, as we're under the oversold region. But again, it does look like we could continue potentially to the downside furthermore. If we have a look at Ethereum USD as well, and do some TA on there. So this is Ethereum. It's basically an exact replica of Bitcoin. However, we see the EMA ribbons tightening here, so they could cross to the downside, and once we retest back here, we could continue to the downside more. And also in the short term, we could be forming a bearish continuation pattern as well, which we'd have to look out as well. And this could cause us to continue to the downside even more as well. So we just have to stay in this channel, and by tomorrow's video, if we see that we're breaking to the downside, then we could open a short in our BitGet $1,000 challenge, upon which we are doing pretty well. We started off very nicely. Actually, it's not showing. If we press more, no, it's not showing it. So we actually started off with pretty well. We had like a $64 profit, and then we did some, you know, it was a bit rough. We, you know, did some few trades up, few trades down, but the last around 7, I don't know why it's not showing now, but the last couple of trades have been all in the green. And what we're applying is we're applying a very specific risk management rule, because in my opinion, what I was taught, risk management over balances, it's more important than technical analysis, because you could be awesome at technical analysis, but you could put all of your money in a trade and then it would end up losing, and then you'd lose all your capital. With risk management, right, you're aligning your money, you're aligning your funds, right, so that even if your trade does wrong, you don't lose a significant portion of your portfolio. So what we're using here is we're only allocating 10% of our portfolio per trade, upon which in a trade we can only lose 20% maximum, and then we get stopped out. And when that happens, right, you only lose 2% of your overall portfolio. So that is what we're using. You know, it's a hard technique because you can miss out, right? You can miss out a lot and, you know, not go full into the trades you want to, but again, it also saves you from the bad trades. So it's a nice equilibrium. We can also look at the funding rates. It is a bit of a mix, but we're mostly seeing green, so that's negative funding rates, meaning, you know, if you open long short positions, the short payers pay your position, so there's more long positions, you know, when there is negative funding rates. So again, that is reflected by the bullish candle in the 4-hourly and this bullish 2-candle pattern. And if we look at the crypto bubbles, what is this? Revain just decided to do a crazy pump by around 5x, right? So I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty insane. In the last hour, it's done 496%. I have no clue what this is, but everything other than this looks like it's going down. Now onto the Twitter coin news, right? So there's two things I want to talk about. So Elon Musk posted this tweet on November 27th. Right, and the most interesting slide of what he showed the progress with Twitter was that there would be a payment system integrated into Twitter. Now, you know, everything was shown other than this payment section. This was like a little Easter egg which you get in Marvel movies, right? So this payment section was unknown, and everybody predicted that it could be Dogecoin. That's why Dogecoin saw a huge rally on November 27th. But the latest leaks is that, by the way, I posted this. Do you think Twitter will launch a native Twitter coin? Make sure if you have an idea, you know, put a comment down below. We had some very nice engagement with this, but the bullish news is this. Hold on, let me pull it up. So if I just bring it up right now, boom, there you go. So this person, right, Jane, she posted a leak about Twitter coin, right? And she posted a bunch of stuff. So let me read it to you. So some social media users are circling rumors that Twitter is looking to introduce its own native asset and payments and tipping on the platform. So screenshots of the prototype for Twitter interface showing a coins option for tipping together with a vector image showing a coin bearing Twitter's logo. So this was it. However, there was more to this tweet, which not many people were able to see. So the researcher, Jane, claimed to have extracted code from a specific version of Twitter's web app, although Wang's account has been deleted for unknown reasons. So she posted a bunch of leaks regarding Twitter, and it showed that it was a tipping page and whatever with this coin. However, not long after, the account was deleted for an unknown reason, right? So that there's a lot of suspicion and a lot of drama around this, right? So as soon as she posted this, her account was gone and no one can find her. So this was potentially because she leaked something confidential. We don't know, but Twitter coin could be something that's coming up. I don't think it'll be like traditional cryptocurrencies where it's traded and whatever, but only used on Twitter. But let's see what the future holds. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe as well, and turn on your notifications if you want to be alerted immediately when these videos come up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully tomorrow. So take care. Bye bye.